There's nothing more exciting than arriving from work and having to meet your SHEIN box waiting for you by the door. So let's unbox what I got. Ta-da! I'll put the codes to everything I got in the description box. I ordered a satin scarf. This is what it looks like. Hey, this is the material. I am not very convinced with satin because I bought this for like to use on my hair when I go to sleep. And then this. So I like doing POV videos. It's equipment for that. This is what I have. This is what came in it. And then this is a pencil case. I'm doing Bible study, so I also got like these cute pens and crayons and all that. So I just want to put them in this, and I feel like this is very cute. This is what it looks like. And then I got me a pencil sharpener because for my Bible study thing. I just started my Bible study, but I can do a what's in my Bible study pencil case video. If you'd like that, let me know in the comments. It's a memory card. I want to buy a camera, so I want to use the memory card for this. The pajamas I got comes with shorts. This is the brown dress that I got. It's a halter neck. It's a floral dress. So this I bought previously, and then I had to send it back because it was big. So now hopefully it fits well and it's not too small. This is here. It's Mali hair. There is 3 packs. They say it is 24 inches. I will cut it in the middle, I think, and then have it as long as that. In the packet also came a crochet hook and some thingy-majiggies. This is Mali hair. This is in the color 1B. Hopefully it matches the color of my hair because I want to use it like as a ponytail extension. That's the texture. I bought 3 24 inches as well. Okay, what is this? Oh, so this is a synthetic wig. That's what it looks like. I look like Labo Mama was a society in Nicosia. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give myself time to style it out. It's a pack of 5 hair clips. It's different shapes and different sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I want to have my hair looking pretty, so that's why I got these. These are hair bows. Pinch it down like that, then it comes out, then push it back in, and that's how you use it on your hair. It's so cute. Oh, it's a cover up. So it's a white cover up. This is what it's looking like. It's a bra. It's a bikini bra that I got. This is swim shorts to match with the shorts. Here I have bikini bra. I bought them separately. It wasn't a set because the bottom is large and then the top is 0XL. So one thing about SHEIN, they will let you try on a bra and let you return the bra. So I bought a bra before and it wasn't the right size, and then I returned it, and then finally decided on XL. I tried medium, it was too small. Large, it was okay, but the back here, it was tight, and then that's why I decided on 0XL. These are clip-on earrings. I've got sensitive ears, so I can't wear any old earring. So you'll have just hook it on. Let me see if you can do it as a it feels so uncomfortable, guys. How do you wear these things on your noses? It feels weird. If I'm wearing like earrings, I need statics, I need allergy earrings, and those are quite pricey. This is what the ear is looking like. And yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you on the next video on my SHEIN haul part 2. Love you for watching. Bye.